This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, XM satellite radio, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a leather-wrapped shift knob, an electronic throttle, a passenger side vanity mirror, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. This Honda has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.